Hi, this is Bob Garrett here for Bob Garrett Services. Today we're going to talk about your 5-point inspection checklist. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to check the oil. Make sure that you have good clean oil in there and that you have the right amount. That looks good. Next we're going to check the air filter. Check for blockages, debris. We can hold it up, look through it, make sure that that's good. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to check for voltage to make sure that your generator is producing the right voltage. The next thing is frequency. That's important. We want it at 60 hertz. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to check your battery to make sure that it's good. We recommend replacing the battery every 4 years. So that is your 5-point check. Call us when you need us. Thanks. This is Bob Garrett.